Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, my wife she kept asking me to make some steamed meat paste for her. So I'm going to make her favorite steamed meat paste, but today I'm going to tweak it a little bit, adding another of her favorite ingredient, which is shiitake mushroom. Yeah. So I have 300 grams of minced meat here, and then I have about 2 pieces of rehydrated shiitake mushroom cut into small dices, right? And I have a bit of small teaspoon of minced garlic, ginger, and also shallot. And of course, Appa will be putting in my 100% nature ingredient, chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia, Shopee Singapore, or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. So the thing about meat paste is make sure it is tender. How do you make it tender? I will show you very shortly. Okay, so first of all, we need to marinate and put everything inside here. This is the ginger, garlic, and also shallot. This is the shiitake mushroom cut into small dices. Then we can start give it some marination. First of all, I'm going to give it a little bit of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, a bit of fine salt, a bit of Shaoxing wine, a bit of garlic oil. This is optional. Good if you have it. Good to have. Few dashes of white pepper, a little bit of light soy sauce. The secret ingredient that makes your steamed meat paste tender is this water. Actually, Appa is using the water I used to soak the shiitake mushroom just now. So let's mix everything together. So Chinese have this technique called beat the water into the meat, 打水. Yeah, it's called 打水, meaning literally we are beating the water into the meat. That is the secrets of making your pork, any of your meat paste become tender. So mix everything up nicely. As you can see from here, the minced meat I'm using is not 100% lean meat, yeah, about 30% fatty meat, yeah. See, you don't see any water already. Everything has been fully absorbed into the meat paste. I still feel I can add a little bit more water. And we shall give it some cornstarch. So the water and cornstarch is going to make your meat paste very tender, yeah? Now I feel it is tender. Just now, I still feel a lot of traction. So once you have nicely mixed up everything, you can put this into your steaming plate. Right, so here's my steaming plate, and I'm putting in the meat paste inside, the tender meat paste, and we spread it out. So the meat paste now should be very soft and tender, right? Right, spread it out evenly. So your steaming plate need to have some kind of depth, so that later after it is steamed, the juice, yeah, the meat juice will release, and that will be very nice also. Yeah, you want to make allowance for the meat juice. All right. Now we can send this to the steamer. Those who like salted fish, add in salted fish. Appa cannot simply add in like this because my family don't eat salted fish, even though I love it. So the steamer has been preheated to 100 degrees Celsius. Put in the meat paste, close it, let it steam for 15 minutes, done. See how simple it is to make a dish for your dinner? So this is after about 15 minutes. Wow. Wow. Looks really good. Let me take it out. Very carefully we take it out. Wow. Oh, a lot of meat juice. So this is the very tender meat paste, steamed meat paste together with a lot of meat juice. See? Beautiful. Before serving, let me garnish it with some spring onion. More for the color lah. Alright. There you go. Here's my very simple steamed meat paste for my family dinner tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.